guys, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and to all of my dozens of roses, what's up? So as you guys can see by today's title, I am going to be showing you guys me and my best friends luxury purses I bought. Now, one of them is for me and the other for my best friend, okay? So she does not know that I even bought this for her. So this is going to be a surprise. I'm just going to send it through the mail. I also bought her a palette as well. And let me show y'all the new Juvia's Place palette. So if you want to see more about this palette, you can go ahead and subscribe to my EMPRESS Danny Shear beauty channel. And you can see those beautiful colors in there. So because I'm going to make a video for that channel after I get finished with this. Oh, you guys, let me tell y'all before I forget, so I am going to try to participate in VEDA, which is video every day August, and they also do it in April as well, but I'm going to try to do August, which is going to be hard because, you know, if you don't know, if you're new here, my twin brother just passed a week ago. So you know, it's going to be hard, but I feel like he wants me to keep going. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me tell y'all, every time I posted a video, before I even could even say, oh, Damo, go watch my video, he was like, oh, I see you posting new videos, sis. That's what's up, keep going. He wanted me to keep going, and I'm going to keep going. I know the first week of August, which is next week, we're going to bury him on the 5th. I know this is going to be the hardest day of my life, but I will get through it because I'm strong and he's always with me. He's always going to be with me, and I love you, Damo. So yeah, but today I got pretty. I said, you know what, I've been crying for the last week. Today you're going to put on some brows. Today you're going to put on your lashes, and you're going to look pretty. So, you know, I wore this dress so that I could brighten up the room. You know, so of course I was the only one crying because that's my boy. You know, my mom, she's grown. She's like, my boy good, because you know, he know God has him in his hands, okay? But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys her wristlet first. I'm not going to get too into it, because if you want to see this wristlet, go subscribe to Nicole the Pisces Queen, okay, right now. So it comes like this in a dust bag, okay? And I'm just going to show you guys this. I'm going to more tell y'all about mine. But this is her purse here. And it does have an actual, like, chain that goes in. Like I said, if y'all want to see more of this, because she needs to make a video and say her best friend Danny Monique bought this. Okay, so I'm not going to get too deep into this, okay? So, but how I chose her wristlet, I pretty much was just scrolling because I knew I wanted me a YSL purse, so I went scrolling and I was like, my best friend needs something too. So I was scrolling, I was like, I think I would do Louis Vuitton. You can't go wrong with Louis Vuitton, I don't think, you know. And so I screenshot it, because she's not a purse girl either. She's not. Well, I'm becoming one, but she's not one. So I was like, I might as well just get her a wristlet. She could wear, put everything in, something big enough to put everything in, from her phone to anything she needs. So pretty much I screenshot it. I sent it to her. I was like, is this cute? You know, like if I was buying it for myself. And she was like, that's cute. So I was like, bet, okay, it's yours. So yeah. Like I said, go ahead and subscribe to her page. Actually, I'm going to link it in my description. So all you have to do is, she's one click away, okay? Okay, so let's get into my Saint Laurent Paris. This is the dust bag, which is very beautiful and black and sleek, okay? And I actually wore this purse today because I was like, I'm wearing this today because I wanted to wear it, okay? So this here is the purse. Ooh, girl. Okay, let me fix that. So here's the purse. Let's turn it around. I just love the quilted, you know, pattern. That is so, make it look so sleek and beautiful. And so we have the chain here. Then, which way is it? Okay, then here you guys may can see it. Yep, Saint Laurent Paris. And here is the goat. Can you guys see that? I hope you guys can see it. But around here it says Saint Laurent. Okay, I love YSL Libra. I'm talking Libra, but yes, that's the perfume. I love that perfume. So I love YSL. I have the Libra. I just love YSL, and I love. For matter of fact, if you haven't watched my perfume collection video, which I'm going to put in the e-cards, go ahead and after you get done with this video though, go click and watch that video. You see all the YSL perfumes that I have, because I really like YSL. But anyway, so like I said, I like the quilted design on that. Then on the side you have your smooth side, and on the back side you have the other quilted side. And here we have a little pocket here. So that's cute. That's cute. You can put your phone or just, you know, anything in there. Now this detail right here, I thought that was just a cute little added design to make this purse look more, you know, unique than what it is. Okay, so I have stuff in here, you guys. Like I said, I wore it today to pick out my brother's casket and everything. And like I say, I wanted to brighten up the room, and that's what I did, besides me crying. But when you open it here, we have the Saint Laurent Paris. I love saying that. I don't know why. But you can wear the purse like this. Or I believe you also can take it and do it like this. I don't see why that would be a problem. It seems like it's the same length, if you ask me, but this may be a little shorter, and then this grip here would be here. So yeah, that's another way you can wear it, I believe. Okay, so when you open it up here, you have your slit right here where you can place cards and stuff, and that's just, I'll show y'all that in a minute. And then we have all of this space, a whole lot of space, right? I really think it's a lot of space, so that's good. But I would have preferred if there was a slit here in the middle, so that, you know, you can have both sides. I like that because I like to put my lip gloss on one side and then put my cards and stuff and money on one side, so I know, okay, money over here, lipstick or lip gloss, because I'm a lip gloss girl, and lotion and perfume. Yeah. Pretty much. Okay, so in this little slit here, hold on, can you guys, can I get this? So here, once again, Saint Laurent, and yeah, that's it. Then we have our card here, and then I have my other card here in case, I guess, you know, like if I want to sell it or, you know, something in that manner, you know. So let me put that back where it belongs. And I'm actually going to show y'all what I had in this purse. You might as well, girl, show them what you had in the purse. Oh, look at the little detail I didn't tell y'all. So another Saint Laurent, which you guys probably can't see it. You probably can see it now. Saint Laurent Paris. Okay, so what I had in this purse today was a little bit of money, you know, my card, you know, my paper, ID. This is the perfume I wore today, my Miss Dior. Yeah, she smells so good. Please, if you're looking for a perfume, this one is perfect, okay? And then I had my lotion. That's all I had inside my purse today. And I got through. I cried, as I should. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys this purse one more time, up close, to the back, the chain, and the part. I love that they do this so it'll be more comfortable versus wearing the chain on your shoulder. So yeah, that is the purse. I said, okay, you guys, so that is my video for today. Like I said, I'm going to be doing VEDA every day August. So Y'all pray for me. I'ma do it. I'ma do it. I'ma do this for my brother. Domo, I love you. I'ma do it for you. So yeah, I'm getting started. I'm just getting started. If you see this outfit again, I'm doing my VEDA videos, okay? So if you haven't liked, comment, and subscribe, please like my ish. And I'll see you guys on the next one.